As the Lokmat Women's Summit honored women who have made a difference and saluted the relentless spirit of womanhood, young girls from the Shri Shambhu Raje Mardani Khel Vikas Manch in Kolhapur put on an enthralling display of their martial prowess. The audience was held captive by the skills the girls displayed using swords, sticks and other weapons. It was a summit where even the Bollywood stars descended to lend their support to the cause of women empowerment.
Kunal, you've been in the industry for so long, and we've been talking about women empowerment all through. The impression that all of us get is that the film industry is a male-dominated industry. Do you think that is true? That statement holds true today?
I honestly feel jealous sometimes of women because, we have Women's Day, we have Women's Summit. As a man, I feel that we've been left out. We never have an occasion where men get along together and say, Man's Day, men's empowerment. I'm honored and privileged to be in a company of so many esteemed guests and women who are doing so much for the community. So I honestly don't think it's a man's world. We might think so. And women empowerment is something that I think the women themselves have taken charge of that. And the way things are going and the kind of work that is happening in different fields as we witnessed today, I think we're in good hands.
So Amrita, your dad is the managing director of HDFC Bank and you're yourself an actress. So you've seen both the worlds, the corporate world and the film world. Do you think that women somewhere lack the ability to go forward and work?
I don't think that women lack the ability at all. I think it's that women are not given the chance. I feel women's education is very, very important. You gave an award for women's education, and I feel that women have everything that it takes and more. It's just that they need to be given the chance. And I feel honored to be at a summit like this. I feel we need a lot more and a lot more people like this in society who are willing to dedicate their lives to the upliftment of women.
Mia, you've been in India for 5 years.
Yes, I have.
Okay, when we talk about women empowerment, what is the difference that you see in Canada and in India?
I'm happy to be at this kind of summit today and see that things are being done about the education for women here. I have not been in Canada for 5 years. I have been staying here, and I'm very proud to be a woman, and I'm very happy to be here today.
And with this, we come to the end of the Lokmat Women's Summit 2012, a day when a lot of issues pertaining to women were brought into perspective. Thanks for watching.